What up, everyone? It's your boy Lee Hobie here. We're just... Oh, seriously? We're just testing the audio again. It's a nice, beautiful evening. It's already... That's wrong. It's already 6. Daylight saving time. So yeah, you still get a bit of a sun, I think, for another hour, which is quite good. We're just stuck in this mic so it doesn't move, and we are good to go. I hope our audio is nice. We're still filming. The visor's fucked. Keeps fogging up. We'll try to ride without the visor. Let's see how it sounds versus with the visor down later on. To just compare what's the best like setup when you're just driving around slowly. Maybe you don't need the visor down, but of course you would need it at some point when you're going faster. Alright, it's now down. I think my voice is much clearer when the visor is down, but the exhaust you can barely hear, because I can't barely hear it on my helmet. It's that it has a good insulation or soundproofing on the helmet. I was saying before that my tire has been broken in already. It's been 200 kilometers already since I put on my tire. So we can lean more on this now. Like, there's no fear of skidding on the new patch of the tire on the side. There's no fear of that anymore. I mean, of course it's still untouched on the side, but at least most of the patch of the tire has been used already. Most of them, like 70%. So your contact patch when you're turning, it's not all smooth anymore. It has a bit of grip. Plus this tire heats up quickly. It's Michelin Power RS, around $400. It's a pretty good tire for my liking. Simple treads on it. There's no special design. It's very simple, but you know it works. I don't care about the design, man. As long as I'm safe on the road, that's all that matters for me. Great. After the tire install, I really feel like this bike brought out more potential than it already has, man. The stock tire is a bit, I don't know, slippery for my liking, especially the side patch. It's not sticky at all, man. You get a bit of a bit of what do you call it, skid on the side. This one you don't, man. It just sticks to the ground, like, see, like no skids at all, man. Fuck, this is a perfect track tire. So fucking good, man. The grip is so good. I love my bike even more. Funny thing is, I was already planning, like, searching my upgrades for next year, but man, I'm still not getting over the bike, you know. Not for a year probably. I love it even more now that it has a new tire. Maybe after service, like when the oil has been changed and it's smoother. Man, I don't know, man. It might change my mind in upgrading. I may not upgrade at all. Still filming, just checking. Yeah, I may not upgrade at all next year, even though I can upgrade by getting the full license next year. I don't know, man. I loved it even more. I have no worries of skidding, man. I love this tire, man. Alright, we're now on our favorite spot. Colorway Plateau. Just do a U-ey. Quick U-ey. So you can see a better view of that. I included these on my first, like, sample vlog, and wow, bro, it's already, that's not 5:25, it's 1 hour after that, so it's 6:25 already, or 6:30 or some shit, but you still get a bit of sun. It's about to set soon. You get a bit of wind. It's spring. It's not really like spring weather. It's pretty cold for my liking. But wow, bro. No clear skies. A bit of clouds here, but they're pretty much clear skies, man. I love it. I love this place, man. This is my favorite go-to spot, just to chill around. Plan to make it quick, so I think we'll head back. There's no particular ride today. It's just a practice run with a good audio, good mic setup, good video setup. So yeah, pretty much just a practice run today. We'll check it out.